Hey guys, welcome back to Jill's Kitchen. Today, I'm gonna bring Hong Kong style cafe Ca Can Tang into our house. Let me introduce the upgrade version of Hong Kong style French toast, which is the molten French toast with soy milk custard. Let's get started. First of all, you need some toast. I prefer homemade version rather than buying at store. If you are interested in homemade toast, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'm gonna share the recipe with you later. Let's slice the bread to take a look at the inside of it. The inside is very fluffy. Slice your bread into 3 thick pieces. Let's move on to the egg wash. You will need some water. It is optional to add in the goat's milk powder. Then break in the egg. But be careful, cause you don't want to make a mess. It is so sweet that she helped me to clean up the table. Then whisk until the mixture combines. Strain your mixture into a large plate. Then put in the sliced bread. Leave it there for a few minutes. Later, you can flip it over until both sides of the bread are soaked with egg wash. Now the bread is ready for cook. Add in a little bit butter into the non-stick pan. Until the butter dissolved, add in the bread. We need to cook it on low heat. 5 minutes later, flip it over. Continue to cook your bread until the both sides of the bread is golden brown. Do the same to the other 2 slices of bread. In a pot, add in the salt milk powder, goat's milk powder, cornstarch. Stir in a little bit water. When the mixture combines, stir in the remaining water. Cook it on low heat. I prefer using spatula to cook the sauce. Continue cook it until the sauce begins thicken. Now your custard is done. Let's plating the toast. Put in a slice of bread. Pour in the soy milk custard. Add the other layer of bread. I add in a little bit honey here, since the bread and the custard contain no sweetness. And other layers of soy milk custard. Then the bread. Let's do the final decoration together with wong wong. We can pour in more soy milk custard here. The drip of custard makes it look like a lava. For the final touch, sprinkle some soybean powder. can't wait to cut the toast. It is very soft, so easy to cut. Let's have a try on it. It is a very big bite, so I decided to try it first. It tastes so good. Another small bite for you? Just kidding, it's my bites too. Okay, here is your bite. She really liked this toast. She eats a lot. I feel like coffee goes well with this toast. So, this is the video showing how to make molten French toast for dogs. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Comment down below if you have any question. We'll see you next video. Bye bye.